AC fan motor. This was one starts squealing really bad. And I got too many things going on to break it apart. Start oiling in here. Did that once years ago on one of our old condensers, and it worked for about 6-7 months. Then it started squealing again and just creating a racket. But when this one started going, I'm like, I got other things going on. I'm not going to go through that and then have it go out again potentially. So I bought a new one. Ordered that from Ranger and picked that up today. And so it's sitting outside. Here's the new unit here. It's, this one's a little different. The other one's a stud mount, but I checked on the plate over there, and it's actually it fits some of the other holes. The other one was just like screw mounted, but looks like this receiving plate has accommodations for both. So let's see if we can get this thing mounted up. I mean, he was just coming out of school and going into residency. Yep. Yes. Probably. It probably paid off in a year or two, though. I'd imagine with what he makes, but you know, I'd be interested to know. Fish down. Just gonna send something up through here. What about this point one of these? Humidity to it, so I'm hoping it might make travel up there. Oh yeah, okay. So what we can these guys out. And which side is up? Question. That's no point. Maybe some zip ties. Put that up in there. Maybe all this up in here. Unless it's falling in the fan blades in terms of the wires, isn't it? Alright, diagram. For this guy, we got white, black. Okay, so this brown thing goes. So this is saying here it's for negative side of the cap, positive side, but you know, this is there's no negative and positive on this type of cap here, so this should be good. Oh, something tells me not the right size. Blue. This guy. Good enough. We'll probably call this a win. Yeah, it's already, ooh, it's getting hot already. A lot of heat to remove in there. It'll take some time, but nice, very nice. Tool of choice. That's a flapper disc. You know what, actually? Carbide tip. What do you think? You gonna do that? It actually works. Let's see what goes in there. Reminds me of George Lopez. Just talking about that puka or whatever, putting in the light bulb. Good enough. Let's keep it back on. Motor in there. Ooh, that was in Milwaukee. I'm getting some heat there, so should start working.